Welcome to JH. PlanetPlay is a website that attempts to bridge the gap between your gaming addiction and saving the world. They sell in-game items and content, funneling the proceeds toward climate-related projects, which sounds like a dream for anyone looking to justify another 12-hour session of digital looting. Surprisingly, their domain was registered all the way back in 2003. That's practically the Stone Age in internet years, and usually, if a site manages to stay alive for 2 decades without being shut down by the authorities or total irrelevance, it's a sign they're actually doing something right. Their social media game is surprisingly robust, with active accounts on Instagram and YouTube where they actually talk to followers. It's a refreshing change of pace to see a company engaging with real humans instead of just shouting into the void with automated bots. They aren't hiding in a basement either. The CEO, Rhea Lucas, is front and center and even hosts a podcast. Because apparently, you haven't truly achieved transparency until you've recorded your thoughts in a format that people can listen to at 2x speed while doing the dishes. The mission itself is a noble one, turning gaming into a force for good by partnering with verified climate projects. They promise that 100% of their earnings go straight to environmental action while helping game developers boost their downloads and revenue. It's a classic win-win scenario, assuming you consider saving the planet and increasing corporate engagement metrics to be on the same level of excitement. However, things get a bit murky when you look for user feedback. There are 0 reviews on their own website, which is about as helpful as a screen door on a submarine. Over on Trustpilot, they're sitting at a mediocre 3.5-star rating from a grand total of 9 people. The feedback is a mixed bag. Some users praise the eco-friendly mission and cheap deals, while others seem to be stuck in a customer support limbo waiting for their orders to process. So, while PlanetPlay has the history, the leadership, and the mission to be legit, they're clearly still working out the kinks in their service. It's a promising platform with real impact, but maybe keep your expectations slightly lower than instant gratification. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, do the usual internet dance and like, share, and subscribe.